Hey there everyone, welcome to another video, and today I went to Target to look at some Pokemon cards or anything. So, remember that Jirachi blister thing? So yeah, I got a Hawlucha kind. Here, that's what the card looks like. So, the Hawlucha one looks really cool, as well as Jirachi. I'll just put that there. And here's the Fennekin coin. And we got a pack of Breakthrough to open. Let's get right into it. Start off with the Zora, Fennekin, Doduo, Chespin, NK, Mewtwo Spiritland, Quilladin, Behem. Our reverse is a Simipour, the rare, and a Bronzong, regular rare, non-holo. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a nice day.